All right, today is a double unboxing. We have the Redmi Note 14 and 14 Pro Plus. Both devices actually launch later today here in the UAE. So first, let's start with the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G. You will know why I said 5G in just a minute, but we have the standard marking on a Xiaomi which says that, oh, it's got your favorite Google apps, something they started right after Huawei's issues. And then we have powered by Xiaomi Hyper OS, which I have been impressed with for a while now. Inside the box, we get, I'm guessing, the usual SIM eject tool, documentation, and a little black silicone TPU case. Yeah, a gray one. Okay. It's not the craziest. It's a little lighter than what my camera is showing you, but listen, it's not bad, right? Now, phone we'll come back to in a sec. Charger, we have a 120 watt charger. USB type A to type C would be my guess, because that's what they always supply. It's really time for brands to move to type C to type C, but fine, I'm guessing this is how Xiaomi keeps their costs down. But yes, definitely awesome that there is a 120 watt charger in the box itself. Coming to the phone. All right, so we've got this nice back on the phone, big camera bump, quite the fatty. The phone itself is nice and chunky, but here we have the camera bump. As far as the camera specs are concerned, we've got a 200 megapixel camera with multi-directional autofocus, and we've got an 8 and 2 megapixel camera. Now, before I go any further, can any of these brands explain to me what the point of this is? Why are you putting these random extra lenses on the back of the phone? Like, it's just not needed. If they're going to be so bad, might as well not put them. Might as well, I don't know, put a better selfie camera. And speaking of selfie camera, the selfie camera on this one is a 20 megapixel one. But yeah, that's about it. We've got the Redmi 5G over here. It's got this sort of look. It looks like it's edged, but it's not. It's still a flat phone. Decent looking. And yeah, there's nothing really else that I feel like I need to tell you from this unboxing. All right, then moving forward to the Redmi Note 14. This is obviously the lower level, but the reason I say this is because this is only 4G as per my knowledge. Usually Xiaomi does tout if there's 5G over there, and I don't see it anywhere on this packaging. I don't see it anywhere in the specs over here as well. So I'm going to go ahead and assume that this one might not have 5G or 5G speeds, but I will clarify that if I get to know anything else. As far as this is concerned, the unboxing, same thing, SIM tool, and we get another case here. Again, this is a black one or a dark gray, but the same typical TPU case that we get in these boxes. As far as the phone goes, ooh, nice color. That is a really stunning color, actually. I was not expecting that. All right, so unlike the Redmi Note 14 that I showed you a second ago, this one is much slimmer, flat sides everywhere. A headphone jack, hello. Okay, where did that come from? But a headphone jack. And we've got a 108 megapixel camera over here. Slightly different specs from what I had seen online, but hey, whatever, man, whatever works. And I'm guessing the other two are 8 and 2 megapixel as always. But yeah, really nice to see the flat sides. The front camera is again a 20 megapixel, which by the looks of it is the exact same one that's on the Redmi Note 14 as well. Coming to the rest of the box, we've got only a 33 watt charger in the box. Very unfortunate. And we have nothing else. I was hoping for hidden headphones or earbuds, and a type A to type C cable. Okay, so before we go any further, I do want to clarify, I was wrong. The Redmi Note 14 does have 5G, so that's a good thing, I guess. All right, so I've given the phones a quick setup, and let's just take a quick look at the initial specs on both these devices. So as far as the Redmi Note 14 is concerned, curved edges, and if you follow the channel for a while, you know I can't stand curved edges. But that does make the bezels look a little better on this one. The back, like I showed you earlier, let me just get that lighting right. Sorry. But yeah, it's got this metallic side here and then this edged look. It's all right. It's not the best looking phone, and it's got mixed dual tones everywhere, if you notice. Well, let me just show that to you. Let's get it focus. So it's got those dual tones everywhere, if you can see. It's got them on the back as well. Again, like I said, not a big fan of the same, but yes, as far as the display is concerned, it is curved edges. Now, when it comes to the Redmi Note 14, first of all, loving this color, absolutely adoring it. We've got the flat sides, we've got the headphone jack, and we do have very thick bezels all around. Big, thick bezels right through. A bit unfortunate. I would have preferred to see better bezels, but it is what it is. Now, as far as display sizes go, we have a 6.67-inch display on both. As you can see, they are both pretty much the same size, just that one is flat and one is curved sides. In terms of processors, we have the Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 in the Redmi Note 14 Plus, Pro Plus, whatever the hell. But in this one, we have the MediaTek Dimensity 7025 Ultra. Now, as far as storage goes on the Redmi Note Pro Plus, Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus, I have the 12GB, 512GB version, whereas this is the 8GB 256 version, and you do get varied storage sizes on both. As far as it comes to batteries on both of these, we have 5110 milliamp batteries on both, but the Pro Plus comes with 120 watt charging, whereas this one comes with 45 watt wired charging. Both of them don't have wireless charging. And as far as USBs are concerned, both devices come with USB 2.0, which again could have been better in that regard as well. Now, another thing I noticed immediately is obviously there is Gemini support on both these devices, which means you will have a range of AI features available to you. Now, there's a lot more to check as far as the Redmi devices are concerned. My major concern is that this is a category of devices which gets played around with a lot. Sometimes they're immense value for money and sometimes they're not. Currently, with the kind of specs I'm looking at, my hopes aren't too high, but I will be checking those out. If there's anything specific you want me to look out for, do let me know. My name is Danesh. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you at the next one.